AVPRO is proud to present this Gulfstream G550, serial number 5153. The G550 is an ultra-long-range business jet that set a new benchmark in aviation design, comfort, technology, and speed. For its superb range, best-in-class cockpit, advanced technology, top-rated customer support, and many more outstanding achievements, the G550 was honored with the Robert J. Collier Trophy, the most prestigious award in aviation. Serial number 5153's stunning interior offers a 14-passenger aft fully equipped galley with crew rest floor plan with forward and aft lavatories. The main cabin contains a 4-place club, followed by a 2-place club opposite a 2-place divan, and finally an aft cabin 4-place dining group opposite a credenza. Connectivity and entertainment features include GoGo L5 AVANCE 4G, plus BBML Wi-Fi, enhanced navigation, Airshow 4000, and 7 individual LCD monitors. The Gulfstream G550, serial number 5153, presented exclusively by AVPRO. AVPRO, celebrating 30 years of excellence.